I'm recording the sewer line out here. It's a common sewer line shared by 1317 and 1311 and eventually 1307. I've got my camera in the 6-inch diameter clean out, the farthest upstream point here. We're close to the intersection of Everett Ave here. So I'm down all the way, pushed to the next clean out. It's 100-some feet down the run. I've zeroed out the footage. We'll get an accurate count on footage. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna get the rest of the recording from there down, but I'm gonna get this part here. So coming back into 6-inch diameter clay pipe, this original piping to when these houses' sewer systems were installed many, many moons ago. I'm starting to see a little bit of cracking, root intrusion damage through that section, a couple of feet back up off of the clean out. 10 or so feet back from that clean out. Got a connection coming off the line there on the left, 6-inch diameter connection. Some 30 feet back off that clean out or so. Got quite a bit of water flowing. It's a rainy day, so there's a chance I missed one of these connections under the water. That might be one there. Yep, in fact it is. There, we're able to get a picture. Second branch arm connection there. These are already marked out on the ground. That's probably 5 feet deep or so. And then coming up out of the PVC here is about 114 feet or so of that original clay from clean out to clean out. I'm going to end this video. We're going to make another one from the next clean out.